Hello, everyone, and welcome to Module 3 of this training, where we are going to dive deep into one of the world's most famous and powerful AI tool called ChatGPT by OpenAI. This module is a comprehensive guide to going from a casual user of ChatGPT to be a proficient creator using the ChatGPT. Now, let's unlock the full potential of this tool called ChatGPT. Firstly, you have to go to your Play Store, go to search, and you type ChatGPT. You can see it here. So if you have it installed already, it will write install. So all you need to do is just for you to just click on the open, and you open the application. So this is a typical interface of ChatGPT for mobile version. If you are just downloading it for the first time, you will see where it's going to prompt you for you to register while you input your email and other details, and then you continue with the functionalities. Now, let me walk you over the interface, that is the environment of this ChatGPT. I told you, even if you have been using this ChatGPT, what we are going to tell you here is not your casual usage. We are going to tell you how to use this thing in a proficient way, and that is why we need to get you familiar with the environment. Firstly, from my top right hand corner, you see two signs there where you see a plus sign with a person, and you see a cycle. When you click on that cycle, you will see it. This is what it writes. It said this is a temporary conversation. That is, all you discuss is not going to be recorded, kept for you. So if you just want to have a casual talk with ChatGPT, you don't want it to record it for you, you can just click on that, and it is going to mark, and you continue your conversation. And just right to it is a plus sign with a person figure. When you click on that, this is where you're going to take you to. That is, if you want to chat with two or more persons using ChatGPT, for example, you guys want to share ideas, you want to discuss in a particular thing, or maybe you are writing a project or you are writing a presentation together, you can use this ChatGPT that everybody is going to be seeing what the response ChatGPT is giving, and everybody can ask ChatGPT a particular question, and each one of you will get the response together. So this function of that. Then just at the middle, you see where it is written upgrade. Yeah, we have free version and we have a pro version of ChatGPT. The pro version, you have to subscribe, and that will give you more functionalities and fast responses. So, but there's a way we do it where you are going to have the access of someone that is using the pro version. So just at the left top corner, you also see two lines there. When you click on those two lines, that is where you're going to see your previous chats, that's your chat history, and you can also even use the search button to search for the chats you have before with the ChatGPT. And just beside it, you see another point again. When you click on that point, it's going to give you, it's going to refresh your page. That is going to give you are going to start a new chat with ChatGPT. Then just below it, you will see where your names appear. Alright, when you click on where your name appears, that is your profile. That is where you have everything about you, your phone number that you're using, registering, and your email. Alright, then at the bottom, you see a plus sign. This plus sign, it is used for you to add either you want to upload a document or you want to upload a photo. All right, and just can see again, you can see it has 4 taxes. If you want to create an image, then before you type in your prompt, you click on that plus sign, and you now come here for it and click on this create image. So by this typing on this create image, personalize your activity. That's what you want to do, is that you want to create an image even before writing a prompt. ChatGPT has already know that this is what you want to do. Then if I click on the plus sign again, if I go on the deep research, if I click on deep research, that is, I want to write something about a research paper. So those are just the function of those signs you are seeing there. Then just at the right button also, we have where you have a mic, right? Where you have a mic symbol and a speaker symbol. When you click on that, on this mic, when you click on this stop, it will now translate all what you have said to text, and it will now send it, as you can just see now. All right, and again, we have another speaker over now. That is, if you want to go to live conversation with AI. For example, now if I click on that button, let me just click on it. It's going to go live.
Taraki, hope you're doing great.
I'm good, thank you very much. And you?
I'm doing great, thanks for asking. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Let me know if there's anything I can help you with.
My day is going fine. Please, I want us to have a brainstorming about how to teach ChatGPT to my student.
Absolutely, that sounds like a fun and engaging topic. We could cover things like the basics of how ChatGPT works, its practical uses, some hands-on activities like experimenting with prompts, and maybe even some ethical considerations. Let me know what specific aspects you're thinking about and we can dive into it.
Let's just go into how to summarize write-ups.
Sounds good. We can definitely explore how to help students understand how to summarize content effectively, and then we can tie it into how ChatGPT can assist in summarization. We could look at different summarization techniques, comparing human and AI generated summaries, and even have some practical exercises. Let me know if there's any particular angle you want to focus on.
Let's start from the basic. I think that would be better.
Perfect. We can definitely build from the ground up. We can begin by covering what summarization is, why it's important, and then move on to how to identify key points in text. After that, we can introduce how ChatGPT can help streamline. Absolutely. That sounds like a solid plan. We'll keep it straightforward and build up the complexity gradually. Just let me know when you're ready to dive into the details, and we'll make it engaging and effective for your students.
All right. Thank you for that. But I'm ready. I will get back to you.
Sounds good. Whenever you're ready, just let me know and we can pick it up from there. In the meantime, if there's anything else you need, just give me a shout.
All right. Not for now. We'll talk later. Bye. Take care.
All right. Take care. Looking forward to our next chat. Bye for now.
Bye.
Yeah, you guys just heard of me converse with ChatGPT AI. You can wish to converse with a lady or a man, depending on the specification. That's all about the introduction to ChatGPT. In our next lesson, we're going to be discussing about ChatGPT customization. That is, you getting to know each other. Let ChatGPT know who you are, what you do, where you are from, your hobbies, and from there, it's going to know how to tailor responses for you. Thank you for watching this tutorial lesson, and see you in our next lesson.